brewing tonight over a proposed 200-acre housing development in northwest Cape Coral. The development, known as Stonewater, would consist of more than 300 homes. They'd be built along Tropicana Parkway and Nelson Road. It's not far from Mariner High School in the Cape, but the idea is being met with mixed reaction from local residents. 4 News Corner's Malcolm Johnson explains.
This 200 acres of land filled with trees, cows, and lakes is a beautiful sight for those who live right next to it.
Look at this. This is what I get to see every day, every morning.
Which is why some like Karen Melendez oppose the idea of 300 single-family homes being built here on the corner of Tropicana Parkway and Nelson Road. City Council could vote on whether the homes should be built at Tuesday's council meeting after planner Chad Boyko gives a presentation in support of the project.
We don't have a lot of developments that provide for common recreational areas or have areas of open space or preservation like the Stonewater project is proposing.
150 acres of the open space would have to be rezoned from agricultural to residential. Neighbors tell me they want the city to look into whether it would be a good fit in the neighborhood.
Neighborhood safety, the density of the neighborhood, and whether any studies have been done on traffic and the impact on the schools.
The engineers on both the applicant side and on the city side have gone over the traffic study and made sure that it doesn't reach that traffic will not reach any levels that would have adverse impacts on the community.
The city would add a turn lane to the project and widen a portion of Nelson Road. While the grounds are still a haven for some,
I see the landscaping, I see the lake, I see at nighttime the moon, how it reflects in the water. It makes me happy.
A majority vote by City Council could soon change that. Now, I reached out to the engineers of the project but haven't heard back from them yet. Malcolm Johnson, Fox 4, in your corner.
All right, thank you.